This is really nifty, and I thought I would share if you are looking for any sort of voice to text option. Google Docs has a really easy option. You don't need to install anything, no other website or app or extension to use. It's right in the docs. So if you go to Tools and Voice Typing, you'll get this little microphone here. As long as you have a microphone connected to your computer or within your computer, you just click to speak and it will type out everything you need in the document, period. You can add in periods, commas, whatever you might need. So I thought that that was a really quick and easy option. And if you do it through Google Docs and you need to upload it for an assignment, all you'd need to do, you don't have to worry about sharing it. You wouldn't ever use this button. You would go to File, Download As, and then I recommend to do PDF document. Otherwise, Microsoft Word works as well. So either one of those two formats, and then you can upload it straight to your class. So super easy.